Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can schedule a task in your Perplexity AI account in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Perplexity AI, log into your account, and next click to username in the bottom left. From here navigate to the personalization settings here, and from there click into notifications to the left. From here, what you want to do is create a new task, for example, by clicking into this text field here and create a task for now, or you may schedule a task for later, for example, provide the artificial intelligence with the task description, for example, like here, create a daily summary of news from a specific category every morning, and you can schedule this, for example, to be repeated every single morning. So to do that, click into plus new task here to the right. Next, provide the instructions here. You can add up to 200 characters for that. So for example, I don't know, create a news roundup for me or summary in, I don't know, celebrities or something like that, or sports. And after that, select the space below. If you haven't created any, you can create one here, or you can leave this empty. And then here's the scheduling, guys. You may click into the scheduling here, the frequency like daily, weekly, every weekday, and so on and so forth. Or for example, only once. If you'd like to schedule it for a specific day, click into the calendar here. Today is March 8th, so we're going to schedule it for tomorrow, Monday, March 9th, and select, for example, I don't know, 8 a.m. in the morning. And last but not least, you may choose or enable notifications for that. For example, accessing Perplexity via the application on your mobile device, in-app email and here. And save this by clicking into this button, and after that the artificial intelligence will do the given or complete the given task on a scheduled date. And you may see it in here listed under scheduled task. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.